Hello, I am Gagan. In this lecture, I will explain the idea of jurisprudence. You may change the pace of this lecture from the settings. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Many students consider jurisprudence to be dry and tough. This is due to the mentors who do not know how to convey the content of this interesting subject. Jurisprudence is made up of two Latin words, juris, which means law, and prudentia, which means knowledge. So jurisprudence is the study of the knowledge of law. Jurisprudence is also referred to as the philosophy of law. Philosophy of law is one of the branches of philosophy. If we have to understand the philosophy of law, we need to first understand what philosophy is. Philosophy is made up of two Greek words, philo, which means love, and sophia, which means wisdom. So philosophy is the love for wisdom. Philosophy is defined as the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. For example, philosophy explores the fundamental questions like what is the meaning of life? Is the universe real? Does God exist? What is justice? Philosophy makes broad generalizations. For example, if you visit a city as a tourist and eat at a few places and find the food to be bad, you generalize and say that the food in that city is bad. Have you seen these 14-year-olds posting on social media statements like life sucks? Some of them also post statements like life is beautiful, life is what you make of it. We often comment that these kids have become philosophers without seeing anything much in life. We can notice that across most age groups, there is a tendency to speak like philosophers. These people are philosophizing from their own life experiences. They are drawing inferences from the situations that happened in their life and making broad generalizations. Let me briefly switch to the philosophy of science. Philosophy of science consists of the study of the assumptions, foundations, and implications of science. Newton's law of gravitation is a foundational principle in science. How did Newton discover the law of gravity? He noticed that an apple fell from the tree. Newton noticed that any object that was thrown up was attracted back to the earth. He repeated this experiment in different situations and found the same result. So he drew a general inference about the law of gravity. Many people wonder what's the use of studying pure science principles like the law of gravity. There are two branches in science, pure science and applied science. Pure science consists the study of the basic principles of science. Applied science uses the pure science principles to develop things that are useful to mankind. For example, the rockets made by ISRO, NASA, and SpaceX all apply the pure science principle of law of gravitation. Thousands of pure science principles have been applied to make these rockets. One more example. In the year 1985, a woman from Hungary went to America as an immigrant and started her research on messenger RNA. Her superiors demoted her and said that her research was useless. 3 decades later, her breakthrough research is now applied to make the COVID-19 vaccine. Her name is Katalin Karikó. Link to her story is provided in the description. Much like the research in the field of pure sciences, the importance of jurisprudence is doubted by a few lawyers. Some lawyers go a step ahead and say that knowing the judge is way more important than knowing the law. This idea is exactly the content of legal realism theory in jurisprudence. Legal realism theory suggests that real law is what is decided by a judge in the court. This is the reason why we study the leading cases when it comes to any legal issue. Legal realism helps us to analyze cases in a methodical way and think like a lawyer. Many people ask what is the use of studying the various schools of jurisprudence. If you are someone who finds many existing laws to be bad and wants to bring reforms by filing petitions at the Supreme Court, you need to understand natural law theory and the hierarchy of norms under positive law theory. Since the concepts of jurisprudence are based on broad generalizations from different legal systems, learning these concepts will help you to grasp the laws of various countries. In today's globalized world, understanding jurisprudence is much helpful to lawyers with high aims. All the famous lawyers of the Supreme Court have had a clear understanding of jurisprudence and philosophy. I hope you have now realized how useful and interesting the subject of jurisprudence is. I dedicate this video to all my students who requested me to simplify jurisprudence through this lecture. Thank you for spending your valuable time listening to me. If you found this video helpful, please comment below and give your feedback. If you need some more lectures, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Have a good day and may the universe help you to manifest all that you desire. Love, peace and harmony to all of you.